my prescription.
Oh, hold on. Thank you, slave. This is a nice pub, isn't it, Sam?
Yeah.
You get, you get your own laptops.
Yeah. Your
Music that you want on.
Your own waitress.
And your own waitress.
Tell me when to stop.
And all the drinks are free. That's it, thank you. Is my mother?
Yeah.
Who are you talking to on here?
Who are you talking to on there?
I'm talking to you.
Hello.
Oh, well, I've got another short bottle then. What should we go on next to Cardi?
Yeah, fine.
No, I'm insinuating that one egg.
I will just have to do it neat.
Oh my God, can't do it neat. Sarah is a skinny bitch.
And a very big business.
Poker face.
Hit my computer, why don't you? We are now at a Facebook party. Have you never seen one of these before? It's where you get a free drink, a waitress on tap, and a dog scratching your boobs.
Yeah. I ain't showing my nipples like Sue.
Say hello, waitress.
Hi.
Oh.